Hi, good day everybody. My name is Ordu Kingsley. So me and Mr. Jude have been friends on Facebook for a while now, and that lucky day I was online. So I was just scrolling through Facebook and I saw his post where he said he's willing to train about 3 people on this cinematography stuff. And when I saw it, I not think twice. I just rushed to his DM. I was like, "Sir, I'm interested." Because me, right from day one, I'm this kind of person that I want to learn everything. Like anything I see the chance to learn, I just want to learn and just add to my portfolio. Like I can do almost everything in this life. No work I know if you do. I'm a realtor. I did biotechnology in school. I did web design. I've worked as a masseur. I do almost everything. So seeing this too, I was like, make I add this onto my portfolio. And yes, I hopped on it and he picked me. I was lucky. I was one of the things he picked and he said that I should come around. And I came here. And so far so good. It's been going well. Even though people camera before, look at me now, feeling like a pro behind the camera. So all these things are things that I'm really proud of and really happy about. I learned a couple of stuff and I know what it can do to me and what it can do for me actually and do for my life. I'm the kind of person who doesn't like going broke. Like as a guy now, you just like this without cash in your pockets. I can't say you can't get babe now, I can't bill you. So things like this, you have a family, you have junior ones, you have younger siblings, responsibilities also. Yeah, so I just saw as a chance to make money for myself and make my other dreams and other things I plan to do come true. So I'll say this is a good opportunity. And very soon you guys will be seeing me on TV screens, very soon you guys will be hearing about me. Just mark that name, Kingsley, very soon hearing about me. Thank you, and I want to also thank Mr. Jude for this opportunity. I'm really grateful because of bringing out 200k or 50k to come this kind of stuff. I know I didn't have the cash, but I'm just very, very lucky to be here doing this today. So I'll say thank you and thank you.